Hi guys, so how can we solve this exponential equation? Now this equation is actually very interesting and simple. Now this equation is just about your power of manipulation, right? It's just how well you can manipulate. So we're going to try how we can manipulate this equation to make us get our answer. So the first thing we're going to do is that let us get rid of these square roots. We don't like square roots, right? So we square both sides. So here we're going to have 5 root 5 raised to the power x all squared, right? Then equals to this squared will now give us x to the power of what? 15, because the square cancels the root. Now, now, don't forget, according to law of indices, this will give us 2x. So it means we can swap this. We can write this as 2 and write this one as x, because 2x times 2 and 2 times x actually the same thing, right? So now we can rewrite this as 5 root 5 to the power of 2 all to the power of what? X equals x to the power of 15. Yes. So here now, what do we do here? We have to square 5 root 5. Now, solve. To square 5 root 5, so that is multiply 5 root 5 twice. 5 root 5 twice. So 5 times 5 gives us 25. Times root 5 gives us 5. So 25 times 5 gives us 125. So here now we're going to have 125. So we have 125 all to the power of x equals x to the power of 15. Now don't forget about our ideas of exponential equations that we usually like when the variables are together. So this variable is here, this variable is here. We don't like it. We like to bring them together. So how can I bring this x to this place? Very simple. What we should do is that, or let's just kill two birds with one stone. So let's bring x here and bring 15 to this side. Okay, that we want the letters to be together and the numbers to be together. So the brilliant way we can do this is dividing the power of both sides by 15x. So right, we divide the power of both sides by 15x. So we have 125x over 15x equals to x to the power of 15 all over 15x. So here now x cancels x, 15 cancels 15. So here we have 125 all to the power of 1 over 15 equals x to the power of 1 over x. Yes, very brilliant. We have the numbers one side. We also have this letter the other side. So the next thing we're going to do is that the only way we can solve this question is by direct comparison. Yes, because this is looking very similar. We have a number 1 over another number. We have x 1 over x. So what we are going to do here now is that we have to make this look exactly like this. We have to make this look exactly like this. That is, we need a number 1 over that same number. So how can we do that? Let's first break 125 down. So 125 can be broken down into 5 to the power of 3. So instead of 125, we can have 5 to the power of 3, then times 1 over 15. That's x to the power of 1 over x. Yes, because 5 to the power of 3 is 125. So don't forget, 3 multiplies 1 over 5. So we have 5 to the power of 3 over 15, x to the power of 1 over x. So we cannot divide this. 3 here 1, 3 and 15 is 3. So we have 5 rather. So here now we have 5 to the power of 1 over 5 equals x to the power of 1 over x. Yes, finally, you see that left hand side and the right hand side look exactly the same. So here now we can use direct comparison to get the value of x. So from that comparison, therefore, x equals to what? 5. Our final answer. Easy peasy. Now, I hope you learned something from this video. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please, as a way of supporting me and as a way of learning more mathematical stuff. Till I come your way next time. Bye bye.